Now we're on the skywalk, so I have to go climb up the mountain for the glacier. Are you excited, Matthew? Hey guys, so we're on our way to Calgary. We're gonna be visiting my older brother for a week right before school starts. We're literally coming back the day before school starts at like 6 p.m. So yeah, let's go.
Compensation, the free case review form reads.
Hey guys, so I'm currently walking to the pool right now. Today is my last day of work, so even though I'm sad that it's over, I'm super excited to be back to school full time.
Peanut butter. Spicy rice cake and mandu.
What's mango?
This.
How's it? So we are on our way to the Athabasca Glacier that's nearby Jasper. We're probably about like an hour away, and we're gonna do like the ice-filled adventure tour and the skywalk. So see the mountains right behind. So we're about to go climb up the mountain for the glacier. Are you excited, Matthew? Let's go! Okay, so we made it to the glacier, right, Leah? We made it to the glacier. This is insane. There's ice everywhere. It's massive. It's cold. We We should have brought jackets, but okay, so we finished the actual like glacier walking tour and now we're on the skywalk. So yeah, it's basically just, what is it, glass over a cliff, a massive cliff.